Ba't naman namalat yung ilong ko? So guys, tonight I'll be readying my bag for my trip to Cavite this coming Thursday. Dahil magsiswimming kami sa Batangas. I will go to my cousin's house. Actually, ayokong maligo. Dahil nga may event pa ako sa May. And mabilis akong mangitim. At na may sunscreen ako and everything. But sa May na yung ceremony, graduation namin. Mabilis na lang din yung araw. So guys, pack with me. I'm done with packing my bag. So, dalawa to. Isang backpack and isang sling bag.